Welcome to Murray Engineering's Robotic Welding Division. Have you seen the latest high-tech addition to our team? Introducing our advanced Panasonic Robotic Welding System. This unit features a 6-axis industrial robotic arm with rotating positioners, which are designed to orientate projects to all positions typically welded by hand. Our durable positioners are designed to support over a tonne of weight each, making them ideal for heavy-duty projects. Additionally, the robot arm is harmonised with the position of movement, which allows for the coordination of continuous welding as the project is rotated in synchronisation. The robotic arm and torch utilise a gas metal arc welding process in conjunction with hyperdip pulse technology. Feeding the robot is a large 300 kilo marathon pack of 1.2mm diameter wire for uninterrupted efficiency. With an arm reach of over 3.2 metres to weld large projects and air cut speeds between welds of up to 180 metres per minute, the robot arm works quickly to deliver single and multi-pass precision welds. Our in-house team expertly programs our robotic welding system using the point-to-point method, achieving a repeatable precision of just 0.08mm to guarantee consistent and reliable weld strength. This cutting-edge robotic welding system has opened new possibilities at Murray Engineering by giving skilled welders the opportunity to program, operate and maintain it. To experience this next-level welding technology, check out our range of fabricated components or reach out to us to find out more.